You're having a great conversation, everything is clicking, and then it happens. Hic, a tiny traitorous spasm. You try to play it cool. Hic, it's louder this time. The smooth, charming person from 30 seconds ago is gone, replaced by a sputtering mess. You've probably been told to hold your breath or get a good scare. But what if I told you there's a specific breathing trick that almost always works, and an even stranger device, backed by doctors, that stops hiccups over 90% of the time? So what exactly is a hiccup? It starts with your diaphragm, the big muscle below your lungs. For various reasons, that muscle can suddenly spasm, forcing you to suck in air fast. Almost instantly, your vocal cords slam shut, which makes that classic hic sound. This whole process is controlled by the phrenic and vagus nerves. To stop the hiccups, you need to interrupt the faulty signal firing between your brain and those two nerves. And that's what these fixes are designed to do. Let's upgrade the old hold your breath trick with a method called super maximal inspiration. It sounds complicated, but it's simple. First, exhale completely. Now, take a huge deep breath and hold it for 10 seconds, but don't let it out. After 10 seconds, take another small sip of air. Hold for 5 more seconds. One last time, take one final tiny sip of air. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. In one case series, this method had an 84% success rate. By taking those extra sips of air, you increase the pressure in your chest, giving the phrenic and vagus nerves a jolt. At the same time, a buildup of carbon dioxide in your lungs helps to reset your diaphragm and stop the spasm. For those times when even the best breathing trick won't work, scientists developed a tool called a forced inspiratory suction and swallow tool, or FIST. The most well-known brand is Hiccups. A study published in a major medical journal found this little device relieves hiccups in 92% of cases. It's a special, high-resistance straw. You place it in a glass of water and suck with serious force. This powerful suction, combined with the swallow that follows, does two things at once. It forces your diaphragm to contract, which resets the phrenic nerve. It also makes your epiglottis close, which keeps the vagus nerve busy. Together, these actions are so distracting to the nerves that they have to abandon the hiccup signal, and the reflex gets canceled. So, what's your go-to method for stopping hiccups? Have you tried a trick like this, or would you give the hiccup straw a shot? Drop your own cures in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more solutions to life's annoying problems. Whether you're using a controlled breathing technique or a scientifically designed straw, the goal is to interrupt and reset the glitchy nerve signals causing the spasm. The breathing trick is perfect for an emergency. But science shows a tool like the FIST is one of the most reliable cures ever invented. Remember, most hiccups are harmless. However, if you have a case that lasts for more than 48 hours, you should talk to a doctor, as it can sometimes be a sign of an underlying issue. For everything else, you are now armed with two of the most powerful hiccup fixes out there.